Meaning of French bread.
French bread.
French bread.
French bread.
French bread. French bread is a type of bread that originates from France and is known for its long, thin shape and crispy crust. Made from yeast, flour, salt, and water, the dough is usually allowed to rise twice before being baked at high temperatures to create its signature texture. French bread is typically served sliced and can be enjoyed on its own or used as a base for sandwiches and appetizers. It is often regarded as a symbol of French gastronomy and culture, and has become a popular export around the world.